Hi guys, it's Nunu and we're here in discussion 3, exploring credible primary, secondary, and tertiary data sources about student success rates in the U.S., 120 points, 1,000 words. Okay, let's survey this assignment and see what it contains. First, we have this video right here, what you're listening to now, below the data graphic over here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links that you need to click on and read. And this assignment also has a part 1 and a part 2. Okay, let me look at the first of these links and click on it with you. This is our timeline. As you'll recall from our previous FAQ, frequently asked questions assignment, the software for Canvas allows me to list only one due date. So I list for the timeline in modules the end of the week, Sunday. However, our timeline is different, which is why I have this link. Items are not due on Sunday. There is a different timeline. So let me read this to you. This discussion assignment takes place during week 3 and week 4. It has 2 due dates. Submit part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, February 22nd. And submit part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, March 1st. Now you may be tempted to think, well, I have 2 weeks to complete this assignment. Maybe I'll complete the week 3 assignment on the weekend. And if you do so, you'll submit it after the Friday, February 22nd due date. You need to work on it right away. And definitely don't submit it in week 4. I do accept late assignments. However, for me to accept a late assignment from you, you need to email me in the inbox and tell me what's up, why you can't submit an assignment on time, and I need to clear that it's okay for you to submit this assignment. I need to talk to you first. The reason that late assignments concern me is because they decrease your chance for academic success, throwing you behind in the classroom, and I'm also thrown behind because I've got to evaluate that assignment, and every day I have lots of papers coming in. So late assignments are a little bit of a calamity, but sometimes things happen, and hey, I understand. But inbox me first. Do not tell me I'm submitting an assignment late. Tell me what's up and why you need to submit an assignment late, and then I'll work with you. Okay, I'm going back, clicking on the back arrow. I'm back into the assignment here. So we have part 1, and I'm going to read this to you. A, follow the directions in number 1 through 14 here very carefully in this link. Then in a minimum of 750 words, 3 pages, share your thoughts, feelings, and ideas about what you have learned, quoting data from at least 2 sources in 1 through 14, and from number 14, the article you found in a library database. What kind of writing should you complete? Write an informal essay, like a journal, sharing your thoughts, feelings, and ideas. Do not write the 5-paragraph essay. Use a variety of paragraphs of the kind described in the Chapter 1 essay, and you have a link here to it, and Chapter 3 essays in our textbook, this little book about how to write a college-level essay. And please run a spell grammar check, and do not make these easily avoidable errors right here in this link in your posting. So that is part 1. Now, previously, if you watched my first video for this assignment, I did not have this link in here. I had numbers 1 through 14, the directions on the screen down here. But I've gone ahead and I put them in this link because I don't want you to be overwhelmed with a wall of text. Let me click on this link and show you that it's accessible to you. All the directions for numbers 1 through 14, what you need to do, are right here. Okay? So everything is here for you. I'm going to click on the back arrow to get back into our assignments. And I'm going to remind you to click on all of these links and read them very carefully. You need to understand, for example, what credible means and what primary, secondary, and tertiary data sources are. And that information is in these links right here. Okay. Let's scroll down to part 2. Part 2, after you post your 750-word writing, respond in a minimum of 125 words, half a page, to 2 of your peers' postings for a total of 250 words or 1 page. How should you respond? Compare your peers' thoughts, feelings, and ideas about the data to your own, and share ideas about which credible data sources you think everybody should include in the research paper. Data that demonstrates that U.S. student success rates are low, and data that may help to explain why they are low. So remember, our term paper topic is concerning the reasons for low student success rates in the United States and solutions to this problem. So you would need to have in your term paper data that demonstrates that U.S. student success rates are low and data that may help you to explain why they are low. And this assignment will help you with that, with determining which data to include, and including also this kind of data. Now you do need to quote in your 750 words. So I have one of the handy my English professor videos here and information about quoting, and you've also been completing quizzes about quoting. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up to the top of the assignment. I'm going to remind you that I'm in inbox. I care very, very much about your learning. I want you to be successful and learn things that are not just useful for passing college classes, for writing term papers, research papers. I want to teach you skills that you can use out in the real world. Okay, so remember, I care and I'm here. You're never emailing me too much. No question is ever silly. If you just need to chat, you know where to find me. All right, take care.